So, students, can you tell me in your watch how many hours are there? So, when we talk about 360-degree and 24 hours, so can you solve it? Yes, at 1 degree is 4 minutes. So, if it is 12 at it means the noon at Greenwich, so what will the time at 30° east? So it's easy calculation. 30 into 4 minutes means 120 minutes, which means 2 hour. So it's 2 afternoon. And what would be the time at 30° west? Yes, it would be 2 hour back. So there it would be at same time 10 morning. Look at the globe. If you have, you can go through the map, find a place and a city, any other country. Imagine if you have friends over there or relatives live there. So, at New Year, when you start celebrating, the eastern area already done with it, they already celebrated, but west part of your country still have to wait. It's just all due to rotation of earth from west to east. So, local time, what it would be? Now you are thinking that what is need of the learning of longitude, latitude. So, the particular longitude, latitude has same timings because sun is present there at same angle, means 12 at noon it would at your head. Not only it would be at everyone's head who are at same longitude. So there are standard time zones are there. You can see the means of fixed timing is standard time followed by the resident of country or time zone. Can you tell me what is the time zone? Let me tell you. On a sheet, draw a circle. So you could divide into so many parts like in this picture here. So I told you the rotating earth having time of 4 minutes at 1 degree. So it would not good if you have moved to one city to other and change the time of your watch. It would be tough to know every time in which direction you are moving and how time change. So in 1870 it was decided to make a time zone. 4 minutes at 1 degree could make it heavy. So 60 minutes means 1 hour at 15 degree decided at time zone. So as 24 hours a day, 24 time zones created in the world. In India, it is 82 and half degree east decided standard time, which passed near Prayagraj, earlier known as the Allahabad geographical area of some countries like USA, Canada, Russia is very large. You can see in the map. So they have multiple time zones. But some country like China made single time zone for ease of citizens. So international date line, what it would be? Can you tell me? Yes, the international date line you understand from the time zone. Now come to the last point. The topic is dateline. At the center longitude, which is 180° east or west, both are same line, is decided at the international dateline. It is also an imaginary line in Pacific Ocean where no one lives. If any country touches the line, this line just change the way so that this line is straight line. If you move from this line to east, you have new day. Like if today noon you are moving from the east, when you reach India, it would same time means there would no change. Means if you move for 5 hours and 5.5 hours, it would be same time, like from noon to noon. Really? Yes. But if you move to west, there would be morning time, not at the moon time, because of the sun. Isn't it amazing? So, students, thank you. It's your end of topic.